The Road to Kalos event is here, but those 5-star and Shadow raids are absolutely brutal. From February 23rd to the 27th, Pokémon GO is celebrating a week-long rewind of previous regions, featuring everything from Kanto's legendary birds to Johto's Shadow Lugia and Shadow Ho-Oh, plus Hoenn's Primal Kyogre and Groudon, Sinnoh's Origin Forme Dialga and Palkia, and Unova's Black and White Kyurem. That's a lot of tough bosses dropping in just 5 days. But what if you don't have 10 friends ready to raid at a moment's notice? What if you're stuck at home or just don't want to waste remote raid passes? That's where MagFone Location Changer comes in. Use Change Location mode to teleport to a popular hotspot. But be careful, don't teleport too frequently or you might trigger anti-cheat measures. Once you're in a high-traffic area, switch to joystick mode. This gives you an on-screen stick to control your character's movement in real time. MagFone simulates real movement, so it's safe as long as you're smart about it. Walk your avatar naturally toward the raid gym, and you'll be able to join in-person lobbies without spending a single remote pass. I'm a pretty low-level trainer myself, and I managed to join a full 10-player lobby this way. Honestly, without those higher-level players carrying me, I'd probably still be fighting 1-star Pikachu wearing hats. Speaking of which, this event is also your chance to grab Pokémon with special event backgrounds. These are exclusive to this event, so if you want to collect them, you'll need to raid a lot. MagFone makes that grind manageable. Plus, with the 1/2 egg hatch distance bonus active during the event, you can pop some eggs in incubators and use joystick mode to walk them out while you're raiding. Multitasking at its finest. The Road to Kalos event only runs until the 27th before Go Tour. Kalos Global kicks off on the 28th, don't miss your shot.